Here at Ridetech, one of our main goals when designing a suspension system for a classic muscle car like this Chevelle is to create a premium ride quality with modern drivability. With most of these GM classic cars, they suffer from very poor front-end suspension geometry. A lot of that leads in with a very short spindle. These spindles do not induce very good camber gain. So we actually use a spindle that's about 2 inches taller than the factory spindle. This induces some negative camber gain to keep that tire perpendicular to the pavement around the corners. The other issue we have with them is they don't have any caster when you align these cars. You can generally only get 1 or 2 degrees positive caster. When we design our tubular upper and lower strong arms, we're going to put up to 6 to 8 degrees of potential positive caster, which gives you much better high-speed stability and steering wheel returnability. Couple that with the fact that we use a Delrin bushing. This Delrin we use has 13% Teflon impregnated into the Delrin so that you never have to lubricate them. They don't squeak, they don't deflect like a rubber bushing would. No noises like a polyurethane. It's really got the best of both worlds within one bushing. The factory sway bars on these cars are very small, under 1 inch, usually 7/8 of an inch. We've bumped that up to 1 3/8 inch diameter hollow bar, which lets us get much more rate without adding a lot of front end weight to the car. Within that sway bar design, we also incorporate a low friction bushing to help eliminate stiction out of the suspension. Using a larger sway bar goes a long way into minimizing body roll without adding a lot of spring rate into the car, which gets you the best handling and ride quality. As with all Ridetech suspensions, we solely use Fox shock absorbers. On this particular car, we have a Fox shock absorber wrapped around a Firestone air spring, which is what we call our ShockWave. The shock is rebound adjustable. Instead of using air suspension on this setup, we could also use a coil-over on this for the guy that just wants to get that static drop and isn't interested in that ultra-low show stance. And all of our shocks are rebound adjustable and have a 1,001 mile warranty. For the back of these cars, the first thing we want to do is update the trailing arms. The factory trailing arms have rubber bushings in them, so we'll get rid of those and we'll put a set of our tubular strong arms on it. All of our strong arms and all of our forelinks and all of our suspension kits include our R-joint rod ends, which is a patented rod end that minimizes roll bind and deflection, so handles lots of horsepower, handles good, and offers exceptional ride quality. On this particular car, we have our ShockWaves mounted to the back with bolt-on bracketry, but we can also substitute that out for a set of coilovers. And to really fine-tune the balance of the car, we have a adjustable rate sway bar. Ridetech offers a wide range of suspension solutions for your GMA body, anything from lowering springs to complete coilover systems to a full-on air suspension. So just give us a call, go to our website, ridetech.com, hit us up on social media, or just give us a call if you want to chat.